What's up guys, welcome back to my video. My name is Sieben, and in today's video I want to tell you guys the honest truth and experience that I had after selling for 1 year on the Amazon platform. Without further ado, let's get into the video. As I mentioned, today's video is going to be about my experience the first year selling on the Amazon platform. So today I'm going to take the opportunity to actually pull up my gross sales from May 21st, 2019 to May 21st, 2020 of this year, marking the first official year that I have been selling with my business partner on our Amazon account. So the reason that I chose kind of May 21st was this was the time that my business partner and I decided that we were gonna actually go all in and create our Amazon account and start doing wholesale. So before that, I was doing a little bit of OA and really just flipping things from sites like Walmart or eBay, and I wasn't taking it overly seriously, getting comfortable with the platform. So there's no real numbers there, nothing too exciting, and I wasn't making a lot of profit. So then I actually spent a couple months off and then found the current business partner I have. And from there, we decided to transition to the wholesale market. And that's when we started to actually, take this seriously and really start working on it. In a minute, I'm gonna be pulling up a little bit of a screenshot here. This is from a program that we use called Sellerboard. So Sellerboard is what we use for our software for all of our profit tracking. We put in our cost of goods and upload to our Amazon account, and then they pull the API data down, and we use this for our P&L charts. We use this to go ASIN by ASIN tracking on our profits, the margins, all of the FBA fees, absolutely everything. This app has been vital for the success that we've seen thus far, and it is necessary to have something like this or actually Sellerboard on your side so you can really understand the numbers behind your business. So for all my subscribers and everyone here watching today, I have a link down in the comment section below, and there you'll find a link over to the homepage of Sellerboard. If you use my link and go through there, you'll actually get 2 free months of Sellerboard, so you can try it out and see if it's for you and right for your business. All right, so now I will skip ahead and give you all what you have been waiting for, a screenshot from our Backend Sellerboard account. As you can see, from May 21st, 2019 to May 21st, 2020, we actually did just a little under $123,000 in sales. So we actually sold and shipped out about 6,100 units, and we've given 188 refunds, as a result of all of those orders. The total Amazon fee that we paid through our account is $33,700 approximately. So this accounts for everything from pick and pack fee, Amazon referral fee, and then any other little fees such as inbound shipping, prepping, labeling, any sort of things and services that we used through the Amazon platform. These fees will account for all of that. So on here, you can see kind of your estimated payout, and then you can also see what your actual profit was. So as you can see, over the past year, we've profited just over $30,000, and we have taken that money and either reinvested into goods and products to grow our business, or we've invested it in ourselves via education, programs, courses, and things like that. So as I've mentioned before in previous videos, my story kind of starts as my business partner and I decided to do wholesale. We ended up taking a one-on-one mentorship that launched us into what we now know as Amazon wholesale game. And since then, we've taken the opportunity to take our profits and reinvest in ourselves, whether that is trade shows or buying additional courses or additional software to help out our business. We're always making sure to take the money that we're making and reinvest that into ourselves and our business so we can continue to grow and scale month over month and year over year as we go on. Give you a little bit of insight onto the software that we use, and then also obviously I was pretty transparent with you guys what our sales were, what our fees were, you know, the cost of goods, and then what we ultimately profited from that. So I hope that this serves as a little bit of motivation or inspiration for anyone just getting started in Amazon. Just know that we are here for you. We are all growing together, and now that we've passed the six-figure mark, we definitely have our eyes on, you know, that $1 million mark, and it is something that is definitely in the near future for us. So I hope I get to see all of you guys watching here be successful. Please feel free to reach out to me down below in the comment section. Give us a big like on this, a big thumbs up. That helps out the channel immensely. Then please do not forget to subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and that will alarm you every single time that I post a new video. And I really look forward to connecting with you guys. But for now, that's all I have today. Take care. Have a good day, guys.